Uh, I will go to the bathroom real quick. Uh, I will go to the bathroom real quick. Okay, I think I'm somewhat ready. I think I'll get my mouse one moment. Okay, I think I'm somewhat ready. I think I'll get my mouse one moment. Okay, I think I'm ready. Uh, okay, well, hello everyone. I think I want to share the stream link with my friends. One moment. Uh, but yeah, we will be continuing yesterday's stream, in which we're trying to complete the inventory. One moment, I'm trying to copy the link. Okay, done. Let's double check that I'm not opening anything confidential. And we're good to go. Okay, so we're back. Last time we have completed our base resource for inventory items. And today we are going to finish up the rest. That doesn't help much, but let's open the project so that we remember what we tried to do. I'll open my terminal as well. I guess code editor, same thing, or I guess not, but okay. I think it's on document, outcrop. Yep. Let's check the to do. Yeah. Okay. So I might have, yeah, I was implementing tool resource. So yeah, let's modify the tool script so it supports resource. But let's check tool scene itself, right? Okay, so for now, the tool only have item name and a texture. Let's check the script. I forgot how it was. This is not even used, I think. Let's check how is watering can implemented. I think it's on object, items, tools, watering can. Watering can. Yeah, this is not even used, so we can get rid of this. And let's define our resource, I guess, as that's how it was done in base crop, right? Probably not. So this is... No, this is not even used, I think. What do we use then? That's a good question. Okay, let's just search it up. Do we use it? Yes, we do. It's just not referenced by anything, because it's just used in code. But okay, but we still use this. So that mean we could see. Okay, let's get back into this. How can we make the simplest step to move forward? Let's check how effect is implemented in base crop. Effect. Crop script. Let's see. Okay, this is a bit confusing, not gonna lie, guys. Shares code is way too above my level. Append array, graph effect, special effect tile. .fx.gd. I guess we have to define our own way of doing things, perhaps. Let's check. How is that called, like as a function? Get special effect. Guess we could go here and check. So we got this special effect into special effect, and what do we do with it? Effect Q is a list of special effect. What do we do with the special effect? Okay, I'm trying to understand how do we so with inheritance, right? We just what is it? Where is it? We just define the base function, and on watering can we define the implementation. It's more of an abstract function, and we could define the actual definition or implementation on each child class. Well, I'm not a big advocate for inheritance. One level of inheritance is fine. Did I forgot to turn on the BGM? No, it's there. Okay, let's get back to it. Or not. Anyway, we still have to figure out how do we do a variable or dynamic function with resource. Uh, okay, so what's the function called? Add bonus point. Add bonus point. So it's graph effect. So where is it called is my question here. Special effect tiles. What does it do exactly? So you get the special effect, but what do you do with it? I guess I could try googling it. How do I load function from resource? Godot. Okay, to load a function from a resource in Godot, you need to follow these steps. Create a scripted resource. Okay. Okay. Okay, but these guys actually call the functions, right? But why? Oh, what was that? What was that? The hell? Graph effect, I guess. So ref counted. Where is this use? Nowhere. Huh? Excuse me? Let's check crop, right? Let's check potato, for example. It's the res. So effect. Yeah, they got effect right here. So it's just a path to resource, not even resource, like a path to the resource. So crop resource. So what's the, yeah, crop effect string. Let's check where is this use. Okay, so yeah, it's get assigned to the local variable here, but where is this use? So that's the initialization. So why does it if it has an effect, it does not call the function. It just append the array of bonus tile. Fuck. Frustrating. Let's see. Crop effect. Oh, it does call the function. Oh, it does call the function. I was just blind. Oh, but the function itself is just appending to array. This is confusing. So it returns something. Okay, but I can just call it, and okay, that's clear enough. So I think we have to make watering can from scratch. Not from scratch, but like watering can new. We will have to create a resource of what's the class? Tool resource? Watering can .tres. So I will rename it to tool. Okay, so what else do we need? The effect, I guess. So that would be a new script, and I will call it watering can .fx.gd. Not effect, but like fn function. Or let's just make it like the same, right? So I don't litter with extra extension in the whole project, because we already have fx. I don't want to make another thing called fn. We might want to open Sprite here and open the watering can spreadsheet, and I will just get this. Okay, copy that, open a new project, done. Control save as. Items, tools, watering can new, ENG. What do I call it? With seed sprite. PNG. Watering can sprite. So that's good enough. So as for the TRES, I guess we could just drag it there. Function, drag it here. I think I make it fn, right? On the tool resource fn. Yeah, I'll just make it fx. ID 1, whatever. We don't have any use for ID right now. That's just a placeholder that we might want to use. Watering can. And that should be it. I guess I will have to check what the fn guys do. Crop effect. Class name. Class crop. Class name. Crop. Okay, so I will have to make a new script, I guess. Tool. Okay, this is a bit confusing, but let's keep going for now. Tool. No. Just do resource, normal resource. Tool effect, or how was it done again? Crop effect.gd. So it's not resource, just script. So it's not resource. script, a new script then. Tool, let's call it effect.gd. Tool effect.gd. I'll make it ref counted and call it tool effect. And for now, it will just have function of use item. Pass for now. And I will check the character use item. Oh, no. Tool.gd tile. So I have to pass a tile to a tool. Will this throw an error? Is this even the correct tile? Yeah. But does it throw an error? Okay, that's good then. Tool effect.gd. So it's not here anymore. It's not on tool anymore. It's on the script that was provided. That's provided by the resource. Okay, I think I understand that part. Let's keep going. Tool dot. No. Tool effect should be tile. Tile of effect tile. And on watering can effect, I extend tool effect, and I have to implement use item. Then this will throw an error because I don't pass. Yep, tile, and this tile should be a tile. Okay, so then I can just copy from watering can. Yeah, that's all. Drink your water. Okay, one moment. Trying to think here. What else do I need? I guess that should be all. Tool GD. I just have to set it up. So I will have a couple of stuff. We'll have to mirror it with the resource. Like tool resource. I don't have to export it, so to say. Like that, perhaps? Yeah, I mean, and I changed it to tool resource setup. That's a mouthful. If tool resource setup. Okay, so we still save the res itself. Tool res. this is not correct. I will always have an effect. Why is this doesn't have effect? Oh, it does have one. Or full function. So what is it called? Guess I have to check crop effect. Okay, so it's I don't know. Tool effect. The cross rest setup. So this should be cross tool. And I will go to the crop effect tool function of this tool resource and make a new instance of it. Do I? Okay, I'll just use it the normal way. I'm fine with initialization. Then I will name it to something else. This name to res. Is it just like crop resource? Yep. To resource. To what else? What is the to resource setup to res? Okay. What the hell? Should be good. Okay. I got the resource. I guess I need the ID as well. Tool ID, tool name, tool texture. How do I set up the texture? On ready function? Why not in setup? Oh, because it's not ready. Okay. Why is it not being used or? Okay, I'll make a ready function then if that's the case, because it seems that I do need some unready far here. Texture sprite 2D. It's off sprite 2D. Texture is tool res dot tool texture. Okay. So let's count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. All good. All very good. One moment. Let me think. I think we can just move on to testing this up. Right? but I might have to move tool. Oh, yeah, it's already on character, I think. Uh, okay, I will have to rework how the player holds stuff, right? So, guess let's go to character. And on character, we will have to remove this. Let's go back to farm and check if everything is okay. No, everything is not okay because there's an L there. Let's try again. Yep. Okay, so we will have to spawn the tool from inventory. Yeah, that's the next thing, I think. So let's go back to our to-do. That's... guess I'll have make a new one here. Item handling. Check inventory. Handle show an item with inventory. Okay, so this is the big issue here, right? Okay, so let me think again. Fuck. I guess there's one thing that we have to do. Okay, so I will have to check this off. And inventories, I guess, I don't know what you call it, like, foreplay? Not foreplay, prologue. So, I'll have them make a new to-do, which is inventory dynamic, actual item handling in inventory. So, let's try populate and populate the inventory. So on inventory we will this will be an array of yep, that's how you do it. An array of item inventory resource item. Let me think. Should it be array inventory resource or item inventory resource? No. What I mean is, should it be item inventory resource or item inventory? No. Yeah. Probably the resource, right? Not the scene. Drinking. Okay. Let's try putting Uh, oh no. One moment. Do you just instantiate it? Do you just like instantiate the resource? One moment. Trying to see how the chest does it. That's the script, not resource. I guess I deleted it because it was on character. And I like, oh well, I commented. I guess crop? Who calls setup? Or on the farm tile. So, and what I'm trying to do is that, trying to figure out is, what do you keep in inventory, right? Like as a list. The obvious answer is the resource. It's not so obvious. I have to figure that out. But I think it is the resource. But is it like just one of this, like the path to that, or is it an instance of it? I'm thinking it's an instance of it. But yeah, let's try instantiating it. But I want to know how chess instantiate it. Use seed. Think use seed is deleted. Instantiate. Yeah. Okay, so crop press. Crop press. Here. Sit up. So where is setup for crop actually? On plant crop, so it's on the tile. On the tile, we set up the crop. Use seed. Use seed should be on character. Yes, it is on character. Use seed. No. Oh. I think I have to check other branches. Think I'll have to check the branch. Other branch. I think it's the more crop branch. Yep, this branch. On character. So enter this character. Character.gd. And where do we get this crop res? Crop seeds, crop res. From crop seeds. If crop seeds. A bit confused right now. We'll manage. What I'm trying to find out is whether this crop res is instantiated, or is it like a path to it? Probably instantiated, right? Godot instantiate a resource. Load. 4.4. I think. What version do we use actually? No. About 4.4. Yeah, that's perfect then. Why is it taking so long to just open a dock? Alright, well, we'll wait. We'll wait. We'll wait. Okay, so chat, how's your days going? We'll be here for a while. I don't know if I want to wait actually. Let's try something else then. Why does it take so long? It's just a dock. Thank you. There you go. Okay. So it's load and instantiate. It's loading scenes, and this is loading resource from code. You can use load, preload. Okay. So we use load. Where do we use load? There. Oh, my bad. That was my yawn. Anyway, we will have to use load. Where though? On inventory? I guess we could. Copy path. Load. This, do not try this at home. This is just for debugging purpose. This is not correct. This is just what? This is just what I want to do, right? I think what I want to do next is to clear up the inventory. Item inventory. Do I have? Okay. Okay. Do I want to do this the dynamic way or the hardwire kind of way? I guess for now we could just try if things work or not. So I will have to add a new signal inventory ready. That doesn't make sense though. if anything. No, I think I should add a script to inventory. This is slot containers or container. I'll make it unique. Inventory.gd on ready. No, on ready var. What is it again? Inventory slot container. I will get. How do I? Yeah, here. Slot container get children for child. Yes, children for child in children children. What do I want to do though? I guess we could print for now. Print child dot child. What is child? So children of slot container will be item slot. Does item slot has class name? I will give it 1. Item slot. Child. For child is item slot. Can I do that? Yes. Child dot item. No. Oh no, it's not working. Slot num. Item slot could not be found. But I gave it 1. Why is it not in the current scope? Well, whatever. Let's. I guess I could make it like array of item. No. What was it? What is it called again? Item slot. Oh, it's actually not declared in the current scope. Why? Do I have to restart the engine? Fuck. I'll just whatever. Okay, so I got the list of item slots. Okay. So what's next? So I guess we just loop through the inventory here. So do we loop over the slot or do we loop over the item? This should be an easy question, but when populating inventory, should I loop the inventory slot or the items? No AI. Yeah, I think loop over the slot then. Okay, so we do loop on the slot. Then do we just raw dog this? Like check if which slot which slot I am and just assign the item. Oh, shit, this is a bit wild, but okay. The Why is it doing that? Like, fuck off. One moment. So here. No, not here. Oh no, it's called inventory as well. Fuck. Can I rename it? Because if I type inventory.gd, I want to go here. So capacity is at 10. So I guess a dictionary. I think this is the correct way of doing it. But let's see. I think we could populate ourselves by doing this. Inventory dot items. Oh, get items. I think get items. Why there's no? Oh, is inventory not a global thing? One moment. Oh, player inventory. Shit. There. Should work now. Not get item, get index. Oh, can I get by index? From dict to dict, swap item, move item, pref active. Get active index. There is no such thing. I guess I have to make it then. Get item by index int item inventory resource return items of position index, like that. I don't know if this is the best way of doing things, honestly. This smells like disaster already, but let's keep going. So, not get item by index, and I guess I have to change how we loop over things, right? For I in range of start and end at 9, we pass I bar pog print pog. I think this game will crash. As expected, player inventory is not declared. Player inventory. It was crashed by an unrelated error. Now it is valid. So let us check there. Oh, it's invalid index. Items. There's something on the items though. There's something in the index. What the hell? Print. Let's just print items. For now. Output. 27. No. Holy shit. Should print something. It's an empty array. Why? Items should be populated. Items should be populated. The hell? Okay, what happened there? There was no inventory at all. Yeah, where is my inventory? Okay, so line 9. Attempt to assign an object to a type array that does not inherit from GD script. Okay, so how do you load it then? How do you load it really? Like the effect? New. Load and then new. Oh, I did not type the new thing. Oh, there you go. Does crop effect have new? Should behave the same. Why though? This is a bit confusing. What did I do wrong? Let's check the crop and what's their value are. Tomato? The rest. Yeah, exactly the same. Oh, TRES? .gd. Oh my god. Oh yeah, that's my part. That's my fault. Okay, we'll fix it. So not this. It's the effect. No. Oh, why? What? No. Wait. So I don't have to load it then for resource. Just new. It seems to be the case. Imported resource. Doesn't need new. Maybe I don't want to type it for now, right? Trying to return value of type tool resource from a function whose return type is item. 28 item inventory resource per. Oh, fuck up. We're so dumb. We're so dumb. We're so dumb, man. Guys, we're so dumb. This is what we are trying to return. This is what we're trying to return. Not. God dang it. So I just have to drag this here and here and change this to this. Out of bound index 28. Who requested index of 1? Oh, I have to check. If index is larger than the length, I guess size of this, just return null. What's the size even? 1. So if this one just like that, will it also work? Holy fucking hell, bro. Okay, cool. Cool. But why is it 1 1 1 1? Oh. Okay. Guess I'll print here. Debug print, I guess. Debug print debug. Item is not requested. Them. Okay, item by index. No item found at requested index. Oh, what? Way to propose. Print what? Print TT? I'll just print, right? Whatever. Okay, let's go here. Then do not item. And I guess I dot. This should be off item slot. Yes, we can do it now. Fuck off, Godot. Item dot. What is it? What is it? Active container. Fuck. Oh no, not this. Not like this. I have to set it up for item slot inventory. For item inventory. Well, I think I'll take a break for one moment. Bathroom breaks over. While I was on the bathroom, I thought of something that might be concerning. It's very concerning. I don't know how to represent empty item on the slot. Like don't have the way to. Say we're going to inventory. How do we represent? Empty slot. One moment. We have a function for it. It's called valid index. Anyway, let's see. How do we handle items? Let's say we are removing the item. Okay, let's first we check the index. If the item quantity is more than the quantity, then we reduce the quantity. Okay. Else remove item pops at. Okay, we pop the index. Yeah, we might want to think about that honestly. Because pop at, I think. Yeah, this shifts every element's index after the param position back. I think we either have to add position or we rework this part. But let's continue for now. Let's continue for now. It will be a problem later on. It will be a problem later on, but empty space inventory. Let's see. Okay, let's get back here. So this is on inventory UI, and what I have to do is in edit. Okay, one moment. So the slot, I have to add a new instance of already bar packs. No. Item inventory. It will be a pack sin, but it will be an export variable instead. And where is it? Why is it not showing up here? Please. Please, wo. Mana seperti yang kau janjikan itu, wo. Why is it not showing up here? God dang it! Why? Why though? Guess I'll have to quick load the script. What? Maybe perhaps canvas layer cannot accept an export variable? Strange. Very strange. Guess we could move it like to the item slot, but like vaccine. And I think the item inventory here. Oh, this thing is so broken, man. Maybe because there's an error? Probably because there's an error. Let's see. Slot. Okay. 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 Make this access unique. Go to item inventory. Item texture. And then, one moment. Yeah, that's correct. So on inventory UI here, but why? Slot container get children. Oh, dang it. Slot container is a type of... Oh no. Each box container, but like, that's not really the issue here. The issue is more like... this is node. But I guess we could say that the slot E is here is item slot. What is I? Oh, right. Slot container get child at I. Okay. Okay, so far so good. So inside of slot, I guess I can have a new function. Set item here. Should be void, and this would be item inventory resource. Where is it? Where is it? Oh fuck. Here. And what else? Let's write pass for now. I think we could get the texture. Where's the texture? No. If we check our child first. Get child or null. Oh, return null. Okay. Oh, index though. I cannot. Or I guess I can get node or null. Item texture. Existing, I guess existing. Yeah, what I'm trying to do here is I'm trying to set item inventory here with this, but the thing is it might be null. No, wait, what? Yeah, get far current. No. Oh fuck, I'm so confused. What the fuck is going on? Well, we might want to check that if this exists or not existing. Not item texture though. Item inventory. If item inventory is not null, we'll do something else. We'll do something else. Okay. Fair enough. Fair enough. If it has an existing one, I think I might want to free it, or just update the texture, right? Or should we? Or should we? Just do this in the first place, but we do not set any texture. That might be easier. I think it is easier. So we could do this then, like item inventory. What is it? Control. And just call it item inventory, and here set item would be as simple as item inventory dot what is inside item inventory. One moment. We could just call setup and pass the item. Yeah, that's much more easier. What the fuck was I? What was I thinking? This is much more straightforward. Like, yeah, a lot more easier. So where do we call set item again? Inventory UI. So slot dot set item. Set item is here, right? And we pass the item. Here goes nothing? Question mark. And of course, it break. I need the error. Inventory GD at line 30. Inventory GD at line 30. What happens there? Oh. I think we need this. Do we? +1. I guess we do. Let's try it. Let's try that. Oh no! I think we need to not do that. Let's just do this for now, right? Just so that it could run. No, it does not run at all. Let's undo. That should work now, but I don't know. No, it does not. It does not work at all. What are you trying? What are you doing, Pose? Chat, I'm not cooking, chat. This is my lowest time. Let's think through this. Okay, let's actually read the error message, right? Instead of jumping around. Inventory UI. So we check the index by this valid index, and this function says that if the index is more than 0 or more than equal 0, and the index is lower than the items dot size, it should be fine. Why is it not fine? Why is it not fine? Why is it not fine? Let's print the index and let's print items.size. Right? Because I'm very confused right now. Like, what the fuck is going on? Like, let's just check both of index and item.size. How big is the... It's just one, right? Oh. Okay, so it does get triggered. Get item by index, no item fan art requested index. And I return null. Why does this get run? I'll literally return null. What the fuck? Huh? Why? So let's say the index is... Right. If the index I requested is 2 and the size is 1, this should be false and this should be true, which means it should be false. Let's try print it out. Let's print it out. Like, let's go. Let's print it out. I heard someone's talking. One moment. Someone's at the door. Chat, am I cook? Am I being too loud? Probably. But it's not even midnight. Will the whisper... What will whisper throughout now? Okay, let us just continue, right? Okay, my keyboard is not working. Okay, it's working. Okay, why is the index 1? Well, we'll run it again. Okay, so it's true. And then it's false. Okay. 1, 1, 0. True. Oh, fuck up. Say. You were so dumb. Oh my god, so dumb. So fucking dumb. Oh, we got it. We got it, but it's way too fucking big. It's not ASMR. I think someone's actually mad at me. I've been shouting since yesterday at around this time, and I think they are disturbed. Yeah, so I don't know, I'll just continue. So, I got the item. I got the fucking watering can. But how do I... Ah, fuck. I don't know how to handle empty slot. Yeah, I don't know how to handle empty slot. Like, I have to say I have 3 items, right? I have to put it in slot 1, slot 2, and slot 3. I cannot put it, let's say, in slot 1, slot 3, and slot 5. Oh. Also, I might want to fix this if that's even a thing. I have to cut it by like 3. Okay, that's not a good idea, to be honest. Okay, what the hell is this? So what? Let's how's this thing size? There's 2 pixel of padding. Guess I'll have to save that as something else. Item sprite. So, where is the watering can? New 3rs. There you go. No. Yeah. I mean, this one. Yep. Oh, that's fucked. That is so fucked. But it's okay. It's okay. What's more important is that how do I handle it? I guess I know how to handle it. It's the issue is where should I handle it? Because I guess I could handle it here. I could totally handle it here. Like I could say items of index 1. Oh no, one moment, let's think this through, right? Let's use a drawing so you guys feel smarter. So this is the floating hypothetical inventory, and I have a watering can. I use it to draw this, but I also have a character. What am I? A fish? Anyway, I have to somehow turn this into real item. I think that should be handled in character, honestly. But I have to connect the signal. So here I will copy that line into character in ready. Here. So let's add on my active index change on inventory. And what do I get from it? The index. Just the index? I guess I could pass the resource, no? I guess I could. I guess I could. I guess I could. Yeah, we could do it like that. But this will throw an error if I don't have anything. Oh no. Oh no. Oh no. This is so dangerous. Oh no. Oh no. I think I have to rethink how I handle empty slots. Fuck. Oh, that's a big portion of work. I don't want to do it. No. Yes, got everything for me, please. Ah, fuck. But let's try. Let's try something else. Let's try something else. Do we want to fix it now? Or do we want to ignore it? That's the question, right? That's the question of the century. Do I want to? Uh, hmm. Hmm. Okay, enough thinking. I think this is a big enough problem that we might want to address it. So here's the issue, right? This we can do. We cannot do this. Like, we cannot leave this empty. We have to fill it with every slot because we are using a list or an array. That's an issue. And how do we fix that exactly? Good question. Next question. Maybe we could use a map. Okay. But there's a lot of complexity that comes with a map or dict. Yeah, it's called dict in Godot. Not map. Map. It's called dict. Yeah, dict with D. But yeah, this is how you spell it. It's a dictionary, but it's really just a dict. How do I solve it? I guess, yeah, we could use a dict, and it's just like, do I want to do that? I really like this solution. Ah, dang it. Okay, I'll have to reread everything and see what should be changed, right? Okay. I guess I'll have to look up the dict as well. Dict. So the key would be the position, or I guess the index. And it's an index. The key would be a value of string, and the key would be a value of item inventory resource. Right. Can I type it though? That's the question. I guess I can. GD or GD could type dick. Oh, it can do that. Oh, this is a new version. Oh, is this actually can this actually work? Or wait. Do not celebrate too early. So dictionary, it's just string and item inventory resource. No, string. I swear to God, if the AI is just making shit up. Oh! Holy shit! It is actually real! What the fuck? I would have killed a person to have this feature back into 2022 or 2023. Holy fuck, okay. Okay. This is good. This is big. This is big. So, but we still have to change a lot of stuff though. Say 1. Should it be yeah. Yeah, it's 1. And I will have to move this here. And with this, we can make some empty spaces in the inventory, but yeah, we have to change everything. Fuck you. Well, I think we can. We totally can. It's just need a little bit of patience and time. You can do it, Pose. Nothing can stop you. Here we go, Pose. Can we... Let's start top to bottom. This one from item dick. Can we use duplicate on dick? Yes, we can. Do we want to duplicate though? Yeah, I think we don't want to pass the reference, we just want to get the copy. Right, okay, let's move on. Let's move on. This would be quite dangerous. Duck, no, not duck, not duck. Dict. Dictionary. Guess it's not called the index anymore, does it? It's called the key now. Oh well, whatever. It's valid index, so this would have to change. And is valid index I guess I'll have to make a new one. Where is the function declared? Oh, here. Well, let's start typing it out. Function, not valid index, more of a valid key. String bool return items tick dot has key is empty, find key is type key, make type value. Guess we'll check. Yeah. Has. Then I don't really need this function. I'll just have to call that. Right? If has key, but from like item ticked. Hash has. Okay. Okay, get item by key. Return null. Return item stick. Get. Is this get by key? Get key. Yeah. Get by key. True. Why did I make it from array? Oh my god, Posey, that was so stupid. Dictionary of type string and item inventory resource. Oh no. I will have to pass this for now. Comment this out, pass. Comment this out, pass. Size. I guess I could just change this one. Size. Return the number entries up. Okay. That's pretty straightforward. Is full. This is also pretty straightforward. Fuck off. Get active index. Okay, get active item. has item dex has active index is toString. Items. Can I pass as an integer? Yeah. Can I do toString? String int. Can I go to string like toString? Go toString. I'm so sleepy. Stay there. Sure. What if I just make the index a string as well? Question mark? This will do for now. Okay. Add item. Oh no. Oh no. Alpha, help me. Oh shit. Let me read this real quick. This won't even work. Yeah, this will not even work. I don't even have stackable in the resource, or do I? Yeah, I don't. So it's just check for the same ID. Okay, this is simple enough actually. But yeah, I think we've had enough for today. Oh fuck, this has been a big blocker. Change to deck. But yeah, we will have to make the inventory support like spaces. That was such a big oversight from me, guys. Well, chat, I was not cooking when I made that core inventory. But yeah, that would be it for today. I guess we'll see you again. I don't know when, but we'll definitely continue on this. Yeah. Well, thank you all for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff. And I will be logging out for now. Have a nice one.